Well guys, nice sunny day. Supposed to be close to 70 degrees today. Um, it's like supposed to be 68, 70, somewhere around there. But I think your thermometer is going wacky because it's saying it's 72 right now. And I'm out here in a sweatshirt, so I know that can't be right. I know if it was 72, I sure the heck wouldn't be in no sweatshirt. So, but anyways, how are you charging the battery on that one? Because it's being stubborn. Because it started in a while. So this one here, no problem with it. But sometimes you gotta put the choke on. So I just leave the hood open. Here's the spring I had to put onto it. Go down here to where the choke is, because it's got a L-Chalmers carburetor on it, so choke won't hook up like the rest do. So you gotta manually do it, and I got it tightened up, tight enough where I thought it'd stay in place, but it thinks half the time it thinks it needs choke, and it pops it all the way on and kills it. Especially when the batteries ran low on it, it kind of drives me nuts. And then I gotta go back, get boost pack, walk back to whatever I was, and yeah. So found me a tough enough spring to hold it back, so I won't kick it on. So good news about the car. Car's back on the road legally now. Don't have to worry about anything on this old girl. I had some pears yesterday. I dropped my fork when I was coming out. Roll the window down. Since having black interior, it's gonna be hot in there. But yep, new inspection sticker. Got that yesterday. So had no issues with driving it, other than telling me that it was overfilled with antifreeze from yesterday. Okay, but no leaks or anything except for like I said, it was telling me it was overfilled, so it was leaking out the little portholes on the side. But other than that, she's good to go. So oil is all good, everything else is good. Yeah. So I ought to button this back up so nothing touches that. Covers up the battery. But yeah, so battery bungee cord broke. I didn't even know anything about it. Anyways guys, so it's good to go, back on the road, all inspected, all legally, all that good jazz. So happy about that. I got some work to do today. It'll be nice warm, so I'm try to level out these mud hole, I guess you could call it. That left me in. So yep. So I tried pulling the seals out of that transmission I took apart, and really didn't go as planned. So but it's what a seal looks like in Suburban style anyways. I don't know if you guys can really see this or not. Kinda, I guess you can kinda see it. It's what a seal looks like in a Suburban tractor. And I thought it was just rubber, but it's actually got, I don't know, it's got metal springs in it. I'm trying to get it best where you guys can see this, but it just does not want to zoom. Or focus, I should say. Come on. Maybe go back on the light a little bit. I guess you can somewhat see it, but yeah, there's springs inside them. Kind of weird. So, I don't know if I trust putting one of these in there or not, like that. Well, this one anyways in there. I mean, it'll push back in, but guaranteed it'll leak. But here's the one. The other one came out like this. So yeah, I'm gonna have to. The main thing was I was trying to get one out for me, one for my buddy, to see if they'd work on the custom rear end, the 6s, and that'll help out Rooney. But I'm not sure if they are, because I haven't taken my hubs off my 6 since a couple years ago. But I don't know, I'm guaranteed that they're gonna be totally different. But yeah. This old girl here has been nothing but a stubborn SOB. Guaranteed I'm gonna have to get a carburetor for it. You can definitely tell it's getting gas, because it's yeah. So yeah, she still fires up. As long as you give her a tiny bit of choke, she's good to go. But yeah. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna finish this up and hope maybe get her fired up.